Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get in a suntan on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. Go back to my room, I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Karen knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plants, and I just might take a painting, read every book, then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. I wonder what you are doing in a city park riding, or better yet, you know I bet you're at home cooking. I wonder what you are wearing, a cable knit sweater you pair with corduroy slacks. Wait, I take that back, you might be more daring. I've been over every detail, every bus of these, so I know that there will come a day. It could be snowing or I find myself caught in the rain. I look into the crowd, so many faces, but a single one will stand out. Heart skipping a beat, 1, 2, 4, and 3. Then suddenly call me crazy, but I think it might be the one for me. Am I being romantic or just unrealistic? If I believe in destiny and everyday magic, is there someone for no one, or just no one for someone? Where do we fall? Is it our call? Can fate be outrun? I've been over every detail, every bus of these, so I know that there will come a day. It could be snowing or I find myself caught in the rain. I look into the crowd, so many faces, but a single one will stand out. Heart skipping a beat, 1, 2, 4, and 3. Then suddenly call me crazy, but I think it might be the one for me. I guess it's just a consequence of being stuck in my room. Have nothing to do, so I start dreaming of you. You might be a creation of my subconsciousness to cope with life going mad. Can you blame me for that? So I know that there will come a day. It could be snowing or I'll find myself caught in the rain. I look into a crowd, so many faces, but a single one will stand out. The heart skipping a beat, 1, 2, 4, and 3. Then suddenly call me crazy, but I think it might be the one for me.